Jangali Maharaj Mandir and Samadhi. Jangali Maharaj Mandir is one of the most revered spiritual landmarks in Pune, located along the bustling JM Road. It is dedicated to Jangali Maharaj, a respected saint known for his simple teachings, spiritual wisdom, and service to society. The temple houses the Samadhi of Jangali Maharaj, making it a deeply sacred site. Built in the late 19th century, it has become a center for devotion, meditation, and spiritual reflection. Despite being in a busy urban area, the temple offers a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Devotees visit daily to seek blessings, especially during Thursdays and special religious occasions. Jangali Maharaj is remembered for promoting harmony, humility, and devotion beyond rituals. His Samadhi is not just a memorial, but a place where many believe they can experience inner peace and spiritual energy.